Are you planning a trip to Thailand? Well, there's a new digital requirement you need to know before you go, the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, or TDAC. Let's break it down in under 3 minutes so your arrival is smooth and stress-free. The TDAC is Thailand's new digital system replacing the old paper TM.6 form. Starting May 1st, 2025, all foreign visitors must submit it online before entering the country. It's part of Thailand's smart tourism plan, streamlining immigration, reducing paperwork, and improving your travel experience. Almost all foreign nationals need the TDAC: tourists, business travelers, expats, and even those with long-term visas like retirement or work visas need to complete it when re-entering. Whether you're flying, crossing a land border, or arriving by sea, it applies to you. But there are a few exceptions. Thai citizens, travelers staying airside during transit, holders of special border passes, used for travel from specific neighboring countries for short-term visits, accredited diplomats. You must complete the TDAC within 72 hours, 3 days, before your arrival in Thailand. That includes the day you land. So, if you arrive on May 6th, apply anytime from May 3rd onwards. While some travelers might complete it upon arrival, we strongly advise doing it in advance, or risk long delays or denied boarding. It's simple and free. Just go to tdac.immigration.go.th. Fill out your passport details, flight or travel info, accommodation address, purpose of visit, health declaration. Make sure all info is accurate, especially your name, passport number, nationality, and date of birth. Those can't be edited later, and you'll have to submit a whole new application. Once submitted, you'll get a digital confirmation with a QR code sent straight to your email. Save it to your phone and print a backup just in case. On arrival in Thailand, show your TDAC confirmation along with your passport and visa if needed. Immigration will scan your QR code and you're on your way. Remember, the TDAC is not a visa. You'll still need to meet visa or visa-exempt rules based on your nationality. It's a good idea to keep the digital confirmation handy throughout your trip, as it might be needed for other immigration-related processes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on travel requirements and tips to make your next trip effortless. Safe travels to Thailand.